Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best deep pocket sheets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Melani Deep Pocket Sheet Set. For individuals who value luxury at a reasonable price, the Melani Deep Pocket Sheet Set is the ideal bedding option. The sheets are made of double-brushed microfiber and have moisture-wicking, breathable qualities. Their medium-weight construction makes them perfect for all-season use. The fitted sheet has ultra-deep pockets and can accommodate mattresses that are a maximum of 16 inches deep. The fabric is Oeko-Tex certified and environmentally friendly. What we like about it: perfect for all seasons. Retains vibrant color after multiple washes. Stain and wrinkle-resistant material. What we don't like about it: may have an initial odor. Number 2. CGK Deep Pocket Sheet Set. The CGK Deep Pocket Sheet Set is the best option for people with ultra-thick mattresses. This set includes a flat sheet, an extra deep fitted sheet, and 4 pillowcases with beautiful embroidered patterns. The sheets are made of ultra-soft microfiber, which is gentle on the skin. The elastic panel of the fitted sheet expands to suit mattresses with a 24-inch maximum height. Thanks to its deeper-than-average pockets, the fitted sheet is a great choice for mattresses that are covered with thick toppers. What we like about it: fits over thick toppers. Super soft, skin-friendly material. Wrinkle-free and easy to clean. What we don't like about it: not as breathable as our other picks. Number 3. Dreamcare Deep Pocket Sheet Set. At an incredible price, the Dreamcare Deep Pocket Sheet Set provides exceptional softness and a luxurious feel. The included pieces are made from 100% fine-brushed microfiber polyester and are wrinkle and fade resistant. The fitted sheet has extra deep pockets, so you can be certain it will fit snugly on mattresses up to 21 inches thick. The storage pouch on the side is a convenient place to keep small items such as phones, glasses, and remote controls so you don't have to get up at night. What we like about it: deep pockets for holding small essentials. Anti-slip features keep sheets in place. Microfiber material is breathable and soft. Elastic corner bands to prevent untucking. What we don't like about it: microfiber is not as long-lasting as cotton. Number 4. Muller Austria Deep Pocket Sheet Set. If you want sheets that will keep you comfortable year-round no matter the season, look no further than the Muller Austria Deep Pocket Sheet Set. The set includes an elastic-lined fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 4 pillowcases. It uses groundbreaking ultra-temp technology to prevent body heat from being trapped by the fabric by using thermal-regulating, quick-drying, and temperature regulation, resulting in a breathable and moisture-wicking product. Moreover, the lightweight fabric helps you maintain a comfortable body temperature while feeling incredibly plush and silky to the touch. What we like about it: wrinkle-free material with a buttery soft feel. Deep pouch for convenient storage. The fitted sheet stays put on the mattress. Suitable for all-season use. What we don't like about it: stitching could be more durable. Number 5. Hearth and Harbor Deep Pocket Sheet Set. The Hearth and Harbor Deep Pocket Sheet Set comes in a wide range of gorgeous, vibrant colors. The included sheets and pillowcases are manufactured from 100% microfiber fabric and double-brushed on both sides for unparalleled softness. These sheets are resistant to fading, staining, shrinking, and wrinkling, making them easy to clean and maintain. Unlike many comparable products, this set includes 4 matching pillowcases for a complete, well-coordinated look. What we like about it: elastic on fitted sheets ensure a secure fit. No shrinking or wrinkling after washing. No slipping off corners. Many vivid color selections are available. What we don't like about it: may pill over time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.